In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for beginners. If you're new to Monday.com, this video will guide you through the essential steps to get started on this incredibly versatile platform, making your workflow seamless and effective. Let's begin by navigating to Monday.com. Once there, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up and verify your email to unlock all the features we'll discuss today. With that done, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your command center where you'll manage all your projects. Next, let's create a new board by clicking on the plus new board button you should see on the interface. This is where your project management journey truly begins. You'll be prompted with a choice. You can either start fresh with a blank board or select from a variety of templates designed for specific needs. Templates are a great way to kickstart your project management, especially if you're unsure of how to structure your board. I recommend browsing through the templates to see if any align with your project. But if you prefer starting from scratch, that's perfectly fine too. After you've chosen your template or decided to start from scratch, you'll want to give your board a name. This should be something that reflects the purpose of the board, making it easily identifiable among other projects. A well-named board keeps you organized and focused. Now it's time to add tasks. Think of these as the individual items or steps needed to complete a project. Take a moment to list all the tasks you can think of. Don't worry about forgetting anything, as Monday.com is flexible enough for you to add new tasks at any point. To effectively track your progress and key information, add columns to your board. Columns can include task status, who the task is assigned to, a deadline, and even priority levels. These columns are adaptable, meaning you can customize them to fit the unique needs of your project. One of Monday.com's powerful features is the ability to switch between views. Whether you prefer to organize your tasks using a list, calendar, or Kanban-style board, there's likely a view that will suit how you like to work. Switching views can provide new insights into your project's progress and help you visualize your workload more effectively. Remember, consistent updates are crucial. Regularly update task statuses to reflect their current progress. This ensures everyone involved is on the same page. If tasks fall behind schedule or priorities shift, you can reassign tasks or adjust deadlines as needed. This flexibility makes it easier to adapt to changing circumstances without losing track of your overall project goals. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Monday.com and enhancing your productivity. Remember, the key to mastering any new tool is practice, so don't hesitate to explore all the features Monday.com has to offer. Happy project managing, and see you next time.